And if you're on the incline, it's best to put something behind the tire. You're not always gonna have a gun like this, but you could buy something like this. They got a torque that's long enough. They come longer too. Yeah, and they're pretty fast if you get used to using them. I'm put this right.
Can I take that with me, or?
Oh, you got to take it with you.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, because they got to put a new tire on.
Right. See what it is. Dang, Mom. Help us.
And then on this car, you have these studs, so you got to line them up. With other cars, the studs sticking out like this.
Oh, okay.
And then you could line them up easy, but this one is a little bit different.
Foreign cars.
Yeah, all the Volkswagens like this. So then when you get it here, you could, fortunately, it just lined up for me.
And the jack set would come with like that little kit.
What you mean?
With those things that the screws that you're screwing in?
This came off your tire.
Oh, those are for my tire.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, they were watching.
That's all right.
It's tight. You don't want it falling off.
Oh, but when you do this manually,
Say it again.
when you do it manually,
Did I do it?
no, when you do it manually,
Yeah.
you got to leave the tire on the ground.
Okay.
You see how I jacked it up first?
Uh-huh.
But I got a strong tool. But when you do it with your hand, you need it on the ground because it'll shake. It'll move if you got it jacked up first. So you went on the ground, and then you could break it loose.
But hike it up first to get the wheel on there and... No?
When you come in, if you got a manual tool, leave it on the ground just like it is.
Okay.
Then loosen all of these. Then you can jack it up.
Got it.
The reason I did it different because I have this tool.
Yeah.
Yeah.